Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a basketball in Blender. So let's get started. Just a quick heads up, if I press any keyboard key, that would be available on the left hand bottom side. So yeah, keep an eye on that. So as usual, we have a cube. All we have to do is just go to edit mode, just click on subdivide, change the subdivide to 5, then press shift alt s. So shift, in case if you are on Mac, shift option s, and just try to expand it, turn it to a sphere. So yeah, this looks okay. Once that is done, you can go to -y, then you select edge, then just zoom in it a little, press K for the knife tool, approximately select the center, so over here, then just join over till here, then till here, and then till here, press enter. Once you do that, just go to this wireframe mode, select this particular part, press X, delete vertices, then select the bottom side, press X, delete vertices, then go to the top, then select this particular part, this one, press X, delete vertices. Once that is done, just go to your modifiers, add modifier, mirror, press axis X, Y and Z, select all three of this, select clipping as well. Then again just come back over here, just select, go to the object mode, then not object mode, sorry, solid mode, or the viewport shading, whatever you call it. Then we just have to select this particular line which we have drawn. So yeah, something like this. Then I have to select the bottom line as well as this top line as well. Okay, once you do that, you can just go back to object mode and here apply the mirror modifier. Then you have to go to edit mode. So here you can see it has automatically selected the relevant edges for me. Once that is done, just press Command B or Control B, and okay, this is too much, just a little bit. Okay, so something like this is fine. Then again change the segments to 4 maybe, then just press Command minus twice. Once you do that, just press Option S and slide it in. I think it has slide it in or slide it out. Let me just do Command Z again. Okay, Option S, yeah, slide it in, not slide out, slide it in. Once that is done, just go to material. Okay, name the material as ball, then you can give it an orange color, so something like this. You can here go back to this particular type, what is this, viewport shading. Okay, so that you can see your color as well. So if you want to change that color, change it a little bit as well. Once that is done, just do Command plus. Okay, and then again click on this plus button, click on new, click on assign, change the name to, I don't know, line, and select the base, change it to black color. Then go back to object mode. Okay, go to modifiers, add modifier, subdivision surface, click apply. Yeah, and that's it. Here is our basketball ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.